Hey there, this is Tanner from Tan Man's Bike Builds here, and in this one we're going to be changing the water pump in my truck. She's been squeaking and whining and leaking and nothing good, so time to get it replaced. So I got the new one here, brand new. And I have a thermostat as well with some fresh coolant. First things first, we'll pull this positive cable off here. Just tuck it around. And we'll pull this fan cover off. Okay, pull the cover off. Better access to the fan now. Okay, now that we got the fan cover off, we can get a big wrench over this bolt here and hit it with a hammer, and that should break this fan off. And then we'll rip the belt off. Okay, I just got a wrench on the tensioner and I'm just going to tighten it up a bit just to help hold it. Oh. Okay, now the nut's loose. Finish it off. Okay, once the fan's off, you get better access to the bolts. There. Super simple to get the belt off. Okay, make sure you know the route of the belt. So just kind of follow the path so that you know. Okay, what you want to do, get your wrench on your belt tensioner here, just get it loosened up, pull the belt off, pull off the crank, done. Then you can pull your belt off, just like that. Okay, let's dump this coolant. This is the hose off the water pump. Ooh, she's crusty. Okay, I've made an absolute mess, but the hose is off. Everything's draining, and yeah.
You don't need to drain anymore.
Okay, I'm just gonna take these two clamps off here.
And we hold it for you.
Okay, well, we might as well do the thermostat as well over here. So these. Did I get it? Oh, I got it. Nice. Okay, you should be able to give that a wiggle and pop right off. Okay, there's a thermostat right there. So we'll get that changed out right now. Okay, make sure you put it in the right way. This is the top. Make sure your seal's correctly on there. Slide her in there. Just like that. Get your bolts in there and good to go. Okay, make sure that connection's back on that thermostat housing. So bolt on top under the wire. And then once you get your full 4 bolts out, just give her a wiggle. Oh, she's on there a lot better than I was expecting there. I'm gonna have to hit that with a rubber mallet.
Got it.
Okay, in all reality, we don't really have to worry about this water pump. We'll just give her a smack. See it break free there, so now we're good. Now that I have better access, I'm going to pull this hose off and then she'll be free. Okay, we got the old one off, got the new one set aside. All we got to do is now get this pulley swapped over to the new one and then we'll get it put on. Now, these bolts here to the block, they're 33 foot-pounds. These, they didn't really specify on a torque spec, so just snug them up. Okay, just gonna clean up the surface here and here. Okay, these are what we want, torqued to 33 foot-pound. We'll get that on the rest and call her good. Okay, now that she's all secure, all the hoses are put back on, reconnected, everything's torqued down. We can now put our belt back on and then get our fan on. Okay.
Okay. I think that's right.
Yeah. Double check that and make sure before I fire it up. I think we're winning. Okay, the fan's all snugged up and solid. Let's get some coolant in here and get it running. Okay, I'm taking her for a drive after filling it up, and everything still seems to work as it should. So I didn't mess anything up. Still staying up. I might put a bit more in there, but yeah. Well, that's how you change the water pump on a 1999 Chevy with a 5.7 liter vortec fuel injected motor.